Uba AL Hank Menteri Ketenan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ke Sorkar Jela, hakalai pau tarik leber, ulap lipat ba iaka ARHI Multi Super Speciality Hospital, kabathamai kabadon hakasnang Maus Mai Ri Bhoi District, da ka jingtmu ban penyok ka jing syakri na kabenta katan syate lami ngihi barok away. Hakane ka sengi laya dan lang kibor penyak jong kene ka hospital, na lor UMLA ke jirang constituency uba sos senesotun, Dr. Amanwar, DHS Balasyong That, Kiriu Paukmat, rang ba shnong maus mai bat kiwei. Haba ajing kren kum ukong san uba hek ula penpau ke jing kemen ke bakrau, ban saki ya ke jing nang yai urlong ke jing tumu, babha jong u lembat kene ke kenhun, ban penyo ya kene ke jela bat ke jela ke thai north east, da kene ke jaka ajing sumar ya bunjat ke jing pang, kum balong haki weipat ke jaka sumar ki badon haki sorba jong kari India. Ul ongru bakum kejing sedang mentah, kandon shua kejing ajing sumar tang ke OPD henre on senang pli suki ya ki wei kilat jing sumar, na kebenta ki wei pat ki jajing stom, kata naduk kejing pang bampong, jing pang klong snam, bat ki wei harengkat kejing terelang bat ki doktor specialist ki balapau hapok kari.
Because we have to save only not only for the people of Shillong of Meghalaya. We have the people of entire northeastern states, particularly people from Assam, from Nagaland, from Manipur, from Tripura, everybody. We want to save the humanity. So that's why we have set this one, because it is very strategically located this place. To be 200-bedded hospital. We have inaugurated only for the OPD. For the next 3-4 months, we will be having full-fledged hospital. From all over the states, not only Meghalaya, we'll take from Assam also, we'll take from Nagaland also, particularly from the northeastern state staff, and then mainly the nurses will be taken from northeastern states. Yes, our intention is service to man is service to God.
We are a multi-super specialty tertiary care hospital, so we will be having all the specialties that should be present in the hospital. Here we have several centers of excellence like the state-of-the-art cancer center, the state-of-the-art nuclear medicine center, a very high-end cardiac center including cardiothoracic surgery plus cardiology, cath lab, and we'll have a neurosurgery and neurology center, and we'll have a orthopedics, trauma and joint replacement center. Apart from that, we will be having some specialized centers like our burn units, maternal and child health services, and all the other required services, because since we are a 200-bedded hospital, going to be 200-bedded hospital, so we will be trying to serve all the specialties, all the services, right from dental to orthopedic, surgery to gynae, all the services we are going to provide to the patients of this area.
In Meghalaya, we have all the heart surgeries done in private setup. Till today, only leg rings they can do the government setup, and you know the limitations in government setup. So this hospital will be the first hospital in private setup to be able to operate on any kinds of patients, whether it's a congenital heart disease, small child with a hole in the heart, or complicated operations like bypass operations or heart replacement operations, or any kinds of cardiac operations or cardiac procedures like angioplasty or pacemaker. Those all kinds of cardiac procedures which usually people have to go outside the state to Delhi, Mumbai, etc. They can all be done here, and already all the machineries have arrived. So within a month or so, we'll be starting our department full-fledged. And the most important thing, already our manpower is on board. So I myself is there, and then our cardiologists and other doctors are also there. So this will be a very good hospital from cardiac point of view also, and this will be a fully functional, fully fledged first private hospital in the Meghalaya to have all the facilities for heart operations.
We are from different specialty, and we are all pioneer in our branch in our subject. So we have worked for every 10 years. Every doctors have worked in their field. So now we have felt the need to come together, and when our bonding is such that one common goal has made us to come together. So I think our unity will always continue, and we because hospital is only run by manpower. It is not the machinery. It is the man behind the machine. So we'll always be there, and we will also encourage specialist doctors from outside the state and even specialists from northeast state to come here and work together and achieve a common goal.
I'm Dr. Sunil Singh. I'm the neurosurgeon working here. So as you said, yes, we'll all be different, say, specialists, specialists, say, trying to run our own department. So but we'll try to use that to the benefit of the hospital and the benefit of the people. So say, I as a neurosurgeon would definitely want the neurosurgery center to be the best in the northeast or best in eastern India. Say Dr. Vikas Syllad would want the cardiac center to be the best, say, in the eastern region. Dr. Firoz, he's already getting the robotic surgery center ready so that he'll start robotic orthotic knee replacement, everything here itself. So everyone will be trying to push their center as a center of excellence. So that itself will benefit the hospital and the people. Plus, the goal is common. The goal is to do work which is better than what is already being done, and definitely to serve the people, to benefit everyone. So our goal would be to provide the best of care, the best possible care, and which it should be in the long run better, or even now, the aim would be to do better than what others are doing. So to provide better service, better quality of care, and to be the best, not even in Northeast, best in the eastern region. So that is what our aim would be.
We have around, because since we are just starting, we will be having around 30 to 35 specialists, doctors. But going forward, that number is going to increase very soon. Maybe in the next 6 months to 12 months time, we will be having close to 100 doctors working here. Along with that, we will have close to 300 nurses and different medical technicians. And all totally we will be having not less than 600 to 700 employees once we are full-fledged.